Okay guys, so I would like to show you how to make you to run your computer faster, how to delete all temporary files what are eating your computer RAM memory. So what you need to do is click on, no matter what Windows you are using, you need to hit combination of keys like this, yes, Windows plus R button, yeah, or simply click on start menu, type the run, and it will open menu like this. So first we need to type here command prefetch like this and hit on enter. So this will open your temporary Windows so it will open Windows folder with all temporary files. What you need to do is press on your computer combination of keys Ctrl plus A, and here you need to click on delete all these files. Some files will not possible to be deleted. I will not delete files because I'm recording video, and some of temporary files are used to record this video, and if I will delete them, this video will not be possible to save. Okay guys, so in your case you simply select all files, click on delete, and that's all. Okay, so the next step what you can do is so we will close this window. We will type again or press this combination of keys and type here temp. So this will open Windows temporary folder. So Windows folder with temporary files. So you can again press Ctrl A, click delete on your computer and hit enter. So it will delete all temporary files for Windows. The next what we can do is hit again combination of these keys. Yes, it will open the same menu. Type here, so we have previous command temp. Now we can type here percent temp percent like this. So simply add percent here and here. Okay, and click on OK. This will open again folder, a local folder with all temporary files. So click on Ctrl A. Again, procedure delete all files. Yeah, and close the folder. And the last what we can do is again we will press Windows R to open this menu, and here we can select or type clean mgr. Click on OK. It will calculate first, and then it will show menu like this. So select everything here, yes, everything, and click on OK, and it will delete all temporary files, some recycle bin files, yes, everything. So everything unnecessary will be deleted. Click on hit on OK, and it will take some time, but it will be deleted, and your computer will run much faster. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. If any questions, please comment under this video, and have a nice day. Bye.